The High Court has taken suo motu cognizance in the issue of fire tragedy happened in the nightclub Virch by Romeo Lane. High Court on Monday was hearing a writ petition which was raising issue of complaint filed against Birch by Romeo Lane structure being illegal. Still it was having commercial operations, and later on it was raised the issue that local authorities did not act on the complaint given Birch, which resulted in this fire tragedy causing death of 25 innocent people. The High Court, after hearing this writ petition for quite some time, observed that petition is though in the personal in nature, but it raises issue which affects entire Goa. The High Court observed that there are many cases in which the commercial operations are going on even if the building does not have the occupancy certificate, and local authorities who are bound to take action against those illegal structures and illegal operations are not taking action, and authorities are just passing the buck on each other. The High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of this matter on the basis of that writ petition and has directed the registry to register it as suo motu PIL. Advocate Rohit Bras Disha has been appointed as amicus curiae in this matter. The High Court will hear this matter next on 8th January. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.